How are you, Athene? And Lean?
Good, Miss.
So we'll start with the new lesson 9.2, equations and tables. Please turn to page number until your friends come. Turn to page number 497. Page 497. And Vatin, read the first paragraph here.
Okay, Miss.
Equations and...
When an equation describes the relationship between two quantities, the variable x often represents the independent variable and y often represents the dependent variable. A value of the independent variable is called the input value, and a value of the dependent variable is called the output value. Miss, can I go bring my book?
Sure, go bring your book first. So when an equation describes the relationship between two quantities, the variable x often represents the independent variable. As I told you yesterday, the n, the y, whatever the letters are there, they are the independent variable because you can change them. Like I have n number of chocolates, so and I buy it for $3, one chocolate. The $3 is the dependent because that is fixed, and independent is how many chocolates you buy. You can buy 10, you can buy 12, that is up to you. So that is the independent variable. Now, a value, all right here, a value here, 1 minute. Yes. A value of the independent variable is called the input, whatever value you get, maybe like x equal 3. So I have to put the 3 instead of x. So that is called the input variable because you have to put that. And whatever you get, the dependent variable, that is called the output variable. Now coming to the skating rink charges $3 for each hour of skating. Okay, I go to a mall and I want to skate there. They told me that it is $3 for 1 hour. And the tax is, I don't know how many hours, so X. I don't know how many hours. $3 for each hour plus 1.75. So this X is the independent variable because I don't know how much. Write an equation for a relationship that called cost is Y in dollars for skating X hours. So Y equal 3 times X plus 1.75. Again, they say you have to show for $1, skating for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Means instead of X, I have to put 1, I have to put 2, I have to put 3, I have to put 4. Did you understand till here what I'm saying?
Yeah, Miss.
Lean, did you get this? That's see, I have $3 for 1 hour. Instead of X, I'll put 1. Then instead of X, I'll put 2. Then instead of X, I'll put 3 and then 4. Plus, you have to also pay the rent, 1.75. So similarly here, you have to write down the time in hours, the total cost in dollars. And then you need to write the total cost, that is Y, is $3, X 3 times X. This is how I showed you. The total cost equals 3 times X plus 1 point. Now, when it is X is 1, very simple girls, I will try to show here or on the white screen. Like I have this equation. Let me show on the white screen. 3x plus 1.75. I have y equal 3x plus 1.75. Now they have made a table here. They have made a table here and they told you all that I have to put x as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see girls, this is the x. This is x and this is the equation. Y equal 3x plus 1.75. When x is 1, when x is 2, when x is 3, when x is 4. Let me check. Let me check first with 1. Instead of x, I'm just copying. Instead of x, I put 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1.75. That will give me 3.75. I write here 3.75. Now second thing, y equals 3x plus 1.75. Here I'll put x equals 2. 3 instead of 1, I put 2 here. I get 6 plus 1.75, that is 7.75. I get 7.75. Now I need to check with 3. Instead of x, I'll put 3. So I get 9 plus 1.75 is 10.75. I get 10.75. Now, x I put 4. I get 4 plus 1.75. I have 13.75. Did you understand? Instead, in
Yeah, Miss.
integration, I have to put 1, I have to put 2, I have to put 3, I have to put 4 and get all the values. And then we'll learn how to put in the graph.
Miss, I'm confused a little bit.
Okay, confused, where are you confused?
Like there's so many numbers, like I'm confused.
Looking all of this. Instead, see, where should I show you? This is your first thing. This is your equation here, Vateen. And instead of x, I'll put 1. Instead of c, in this part, I'll put 1. In this part, I'll put 2. In this part, I'll put 3. And this part, I will put 4. And I get the answers. Whatever the answers I get, I write it here. Do you want me to do once again everything? Tell me, no problem, I will do it.
What's Miss?
Do you want me to repeat everything again?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Who else joined? Ghalia? No. Malak?
So Ghali is not.
Malak, did you understand how I did this or no? Tell me true. I will. No problem, sweetie.
Yeah. Yeah, Miss, I understand.
You need to write in your rough notebook. I'm sorry, your copybook. Finished?
Miss, I'll write this in the copybook. Can I screenshot it?
Okay. Try to do yourself. Numbers have to written very fast. I don't know whether you can understand or not.
Okay.
The other question was?
Yeah, Miss.
So that's why I wrote all the values here. What can you see? Can you see widescreen or the textbook?
No, the white screen.
Okay, a second. Let me share the textbook. Yeah, finish all of this in the textbook.
Miss, can you go up just a little bit?
Multiply 2, you get this. Multiply 3, you get this. Multiply 4, you get this.
Miss, could you go up because I finished this?
Done?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Jamal download all songs on his MP3 player. The table shows the time it takes him to download the song. Depends on the song for file size. Write an equation for relationship shown in the table, the use equation. Okay. They show you the equation. You know that this is 12.4. This is 12 times 5. This is 12 times 6. This is 12 times 8. So I'm changing the y equal 12 times x, the size of the file. I'm changing the size 4, 5, 6, 7. So the equation is 12 y equal 12x. Equation is y equal 12x. By looking at this, I say that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is something which is changing. This is the x. Okay. Why did I multiply with 12? Because I see in the answer everything is multiplied by 12. By looking at this, you know that these are multiples of 12. 12 times 4, 12 times 5, 12 times 6, 12 times 7, 12 times 8. So all is 12 times x equal, this is equals to y. That's why my equation is y equal 12x. And when you do with 7, you get as 72. This one don't write point, write down multiplication. This is multiplication. Times. Did you finish?
Yeah.
And then you multiply with 7 because they ask you 7 here how much. So 12 times, instead of x, I put 7, I get 84 here. Okay, girls. Now simple one, see here. Carefully see here, stop writing everything and see here, then you can get it. Y equal x plus 3. I have a table. I have a table here. Or let me go for the student edition so that you understand. I'll go for student edition here, 1 minute. Give me some time. Student edition. Here, girls. Let's see here. Yeah, here, what do I have? I have x plus 3. And what did they give you? X here, 10. So that means instead of x plus 3, instead of 3x, I need to put 10. Very clear, guys. These are x values. Instead of x, I put 6, I get 9. Instead of x, if I put 8, I get 12.
11.
X, if I
It's
put
supposed
10,
to be,
I get 13. Yes?
Miss, it's supposed to be 11, I think.
Yes. Here it is supposed to be 11. And 10 plus 3, 13. Here did you get
Okay, Miss, I understood, but I didn't understand how you get this.
1 minute? 1 minute, I erased it.
It's okay.
Again, instead of 10, instead of x, I need to put 10. And then I get 13. What you didn't understand here?
I didn't understand how you got this.
What is it given in the question here? Rule x plus 3.
Rule.
Instead of x, I need to put this number because x is 10. I put 10, you have x plus 3. We need to put 10 plus 3. Instead of x, I need to put 10 because here it is given 10. Instead of x, you need to put 8 because it is given 8 plus 3. Now see here.
Okay, so here, if it's 6, it's going to be 6, right? If it's 8, it's going to be 8.
Yes.
How you will get this?
It's fixed here. They told you 3. They gave you x plus 3. 6 plus 3. You cannot change this. This is the independent.
Okay, understood.
Now you have 2x plus 1. And they gave you, instead of x, you have, see, you have 2x,
It's going to be 9.
2, and wait, let me not do here. Let me do this side, I'll do this side. 2, instead of x, I'll put 4 plus 1. That is 8 plus 1, 9. Very good. Next, 2 times 7 plus 1, 14 plus
15.
15. Yes. Then you have 2 and 10. That is
21.
Got it?
Yes, I didn't understand.
Yeah, it will take time here. Malak, see Malak, I'll explain again. Malak, you have y equal 2x plus 1. Okay? You have y equal 2x plus 1. Now, what is x here, Malak? They gave you 3 values, 4, 7, and 10. Let us do with x, they gave you 4. Instead of x, I need to put 4. Copy y, copy equal, copy 2. Instead of x, I'll put 4. Copy plus, copy 1. Y, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what did I get the value of y? I got 9. When x was 4. Understood? Or not yet?
Yeah, Miss, but how will it, Jenny? How is
Malak, what did I give you the question here? Y equal 2x plus 1. I did the first one. I did this. Now, second, what did they say? X is what?
X is they said X is plus 1. X is plus 1.
My sweetie, look at this table. X 4, I did it. Next, X, what the value can be? Look at the line of X. 7. Come to this. I'll copy Y, I'll copy equal, I'll copy 2. Instead of X, I should write 7. I'll copy plus, I'll copy 1. Now solve it. 2 times 7, 14. Y equal 15. So when x is 7, when I'm putting x as 7 in this equation, I get as 15. Y I get as 15. Do the last one with me, Malak.
Okay, Miss.
Y, I want to put the last one. What is the last one? What is they give? They give you x equal what?
X equals 10.
Yes. Let us write the question. Y equal 2x plus 1. Yalla, copy everything same exactly. Y.
It will be Y equals 10.
2. Don't forget this 2.
2.
Instead of
2.
x, this x, just this x you need to write.
1.
What is
It will be 10.
very good? 10. And then same thing copy. Plus 1. Copy everything same except of x you will put this number. That's it. So y.
Oh, so here, Miss, here you will put y equal to parenthesis 7 and
Plus
close
one.
the parenthesis.
Yes.
Miss, but why in the second one, like in Y of the 7, why we wrote Y equals 8 plus 1? Shouldn't we say Y equals 7 plus 1?
Where? Which question? Tell me.
In the question of 7.
7 I wrote here. Y equal 2x plus 1.
2.
2 copied. Instead of x, I wrote 7 and plus 1. So 2 times 7 is 14. Don't forget, this is times. When it is bracket and number, it is times. 20 plus 1. So y equals 21. I get 21. I write 21 here. See here, Malak. 2 times 10. What is 2 times 10?
2 times 10 equals 20.
Plus 1. 21. Understood or no?
Yeah, Miss.
Malak,
Yeah.
did you copy this? 9, 15 and 20? Please write these because if you don't write these steps, it's no use. You will not understand. Where did you get 15 from? Where did you get 21 from?
The lesson is easy.
Yes. Who told me that, Ghalia?
Yeah.
Because you like math.
Yeah, I remember taking it in my old school.
Yes. Can I clear everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, Miss.
Come on. See, we have so much. Now this time, we need to write the equation. To write the equation, we need to know the relation, girls. What is changing? X is changing. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Tell me the multiples of 16, 18, 22. When do they come? 2 times 8. 2 times 9. 2 times 10. 2 times
20.
So 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't you think so? It's x. 8 is x, 9 is x, 10 is x, and 11 is x. So I can say my y when is nothing but 2x. But the value of y is nothing but 2 times x. The value of 2 times 8, 2 times 9, 2 times 10. And when it is 2 times 10, I get y equals 2 times 10. What do you get the answer? You get as y equal 20. You need to write the equation. How do you write the equation? By looking at the y. Y is 2 times of x. 2 times 8, 2 times 9, 2 times 10, 2 times 11. So 2 times x, y equal, this is the equation. Now they ask you, they put a question mark on 2 times 10. So means here, so that is 2 times 10, it is 20. Now see here, 5 times 2. 10 times 2. 15 times 2. 20 times 2. 5, 10, 15, 20, like that. But all are 2. Or one more thing, girls. You can just go, oh, I'm so sorry. One more thing, I can make an equation easy. Girls, this is a tough part. Don't worry, it won't be given in the test, but because grade 7, I'll repeat again. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 40 divided by 2 is 40 divided by 2 is 20. So all when I divide by 2. So x, if I divide by 2, I get y. X divided by 2 if I do. So when I do 40 divided by 2.
You have to multiply all with 2, or are there going to be random numbers?
Divide. When I do divide, when I divide x, I get y. When I multiply y, I get x. It's the opposite.
Mm.
You can do the either way. You can even do 2y equal x. When you multiply y to 2, you get x. Or if you divide x to 2, it gives y. I'm going to continue, girls, tomorrow. Or I cannot do in the science class. I will continue tomorrow, inshallah. Just copy till here and, please.
Yeah, Miss Samtan.
Alia, Malak.
Yeah, done.
Take care and have a nice day.